Okay, apart from having debris in the stumps, you're going to have poles, whether it's a old marker, which could be a land marker. It could be a clothesline pole, something somebody stuck down and left. Any rate, if you can use the hydraulics in a strap and get up to it close like this, it'll take a couple of different tugs, because you only have about a 2.5 foot lifting point before you run out of stretch in that strap. Then you have to reset it. Right here is where you have to stop and reset. Moving forward, getting back down again where you can wrap the strap. You got to get enough wraps on it so the thing actually grabs the pole, and you're gonna have to pull the other side tight so that it keeps a bunch of pressure on it. That's that.